Hi friends, good night. Someone asking me for a demo of the tool I'm creating for designing guitars in 3D. So this is it. Please be patient with my English because I'm not too good at English, and there are some noise in the back because this is a very crappy computer and it's slow and very noisy. Thank you. The tools that I will use are free and open source. Let's see. For two dimensions drawing, I will use Inkscape. It's a free tool, open source also, and it's very easy, and I use it to make 2D designs. For 3D, I will use FreeCAD, that is also free and open source, and it will be used to do all the 3D work. And specifically for these guitars designs, I developed this workbench or plugin or add-on for FreeCAD that will add specific guitar design capabilities to the FreeCAD system. This is a work in progress project. I do this in my personal free time, and is free and open source. The idea is to go from the 2D templates to 3D designs very quickly, and to support parametric 3D design changes very easy. So Inkscape, FreeCAD, and MarzWorkbench. That's the tools that we will use in this demo. Okay, let's start. We start with the 2D these templates. They are not required, but of course are part of the design. So in Inkscape, I designed three files. One file with the body template, one file with the headstock template, and one file with the custom inlays for fretboard inlays. The first file is a SVG file. This is a scalar vector graphics file. It's done in Inkscape, but you can do also in Illustrator or things like that. The idea is simply to have a 2D vector design in SVG format, describing the contour and the pockets of the object, and a reference point to be placed correctly in the 3D object. The design is very basic. It's just a contour. You can design it in Inkscape, modify whatever you want. This, for example, suppose you want to do something like that. And you also create some pockets that you can put on top or on back or both. And you specify the role of each of these paths in the design. For example, the contour should be named contour in the ID. The midline should be named midline in the ID, so it will be recognized by the system. And the pockets has a special naming convention. You can read more about it in the wiki. The same apply for the headstock. It's just a contour path with the ID contour and a set of pockets, a reference line to align it to the 3D object, and a reference line marking the points where the transition between the neck and the headstock will join. This is very important. You will see later. So that's it. You create this at your own. You create your own design wherever you want. do whatever you want with this. Let's put this T here just to do something special. Okay. Inlays are also paths that will be imported and will be placed automatically in the correct thread position, depending on the name of the path, yeah, or the ID of the path. Excuse me. Yeah. So you can read about this also in the wiki. But this is the idea. You have these three 2D designs. You design it, or copy other design, whatever you want, and you name it accordingly to the role of it will be used in the system. Now we will transform these files into a 3D model using FreeCAD and Marz Workbench. Now in FreeCAD I will select the Marz Guitar Workbench. It enables these tools to work with guitars. So the first thing is to create a new instrument. There is a bass instrument, and these are the parameters. There are parameters for the body, the bridge, fret wire, fretboard, headstock, neck, nut, scale, truss rod, etc. So the first thing we will create will be the fretboard that is fully parametric. That's because it's calculated, so we don't need any template for this. The system will calculate. I will set how much frets we want, the scales that we want, radius for starting, ending radius, thickness, etc. Let's keep it simple with the default parameters. So I will add fretboard. Okay, this is the fretboard. Very standard stuff. It has its radius, thickness, and a set of fret slots. You can change anything, changing parameters, like the number of frets or the scales or things like that. For example, just to show you, I will make it multi-scale, change the scale, bass scale, and it will be updated with the new parameters. Okay, just keep it simple for this demo. So I will create a very simple design and basic standard stuff. Okay, now we'll add the neck here. Okay, the neck is created, also based in the same parameters. The neck also has a truss rod channel that is also parametric. Stand a basic blank for the headstock, transition. All these things can be changed with different thicknesses, radiuses, etc. The next thing I will add will be the blank for the body. Okay, this is the blank for a body. It has a top and back. Okay. Now I will apply the custom designs for the body based on this, headstock based on this, and these inlays will be placed. So let's start with the headstock, for example. So I will import this file into this design. It can be done at any time. It will apply the changes. So here, import headstock shape. So I will search the file. Custom headstock. Okay, let's apply it. So this is our custom headstock right here with inlay carving, tuners, drills, etc. And this smooth transition that we can change later if we want. Now let's import the body, top and back. Looking for this, importing this file. Custom body. Okay, the custom body was imported. It has a top and back. This is the back. This is the top. I can't hide this, and you will see the neck pocket, etc. You can change the template as many times as you want. For example, if I want to make this more thick, I will change the file here. For example, this is very easy to add. For example, this, save and import it again here. Custom body. And you see the change here. Okay, that's it. So let's activate again our fretboard neck. Now we want to import the inlays for the fretboard. So we will import this file. Inlays. Okay, was imported here. You consider, and they are located in the correct fretboard positions. Now you have your 3D model, and you can change any parameter from this. For example, you can change, for example, I want to change this profile, the neck profile. Now it's classic. I will change it for B, so I just change the parameter I need to change. For example, I want a neck profile based on B. Now you can see the change is now applied. I can merge it with the all changes. I want to adjust this here, making it a little better here, so I can change the joint fret here for something like 14. Okay, you see now. And I want to alter this also because I don't want this spoke here. So in the transition I will change transition to something more large. For example, 16, 60. Okay. Okay, it's better now. And that's it. It's how it works. You can combine a lot of possibilities with these parameters. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.